Hello, welcome to a new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Today, I will discuss some more MCQ on nervous system, and this is the third part of this session. Question number 1. The covering of spinal cord is option A meninges, option B medulla, option C none of these, option D both of these. The right answer is option A meninges. Question number 2. Which is not a neuroglia? Option A astrocyte, option B microglia, option C oligodendrocyte, option D none of these. The right answer is option D none of these. That means option A, option B, option C, astrocyte, microglia and oligodendrocyte all are part of neuroglia. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 3. The main extracellular cation is option A potassium, option B calcium, option C sodium, option D magnesium. The right answer is option C sodium. Question number 4. The space between two neurons are known as option A peritoneum, option B axonema, option C synapse, option D none of these. The right answer is option C synapse. Question number 5. Pupillary light reflex is a autonomic reflex. Is this true or false? This is true. Pupillary light reflex is an autonomic reflex. It is true. Question number 6. The space between the vertebrae are option A cranial foramina, option B intervertebral foramina, option C spinal foramina, option D none of these. The right answer is option B intervertebral foramina. অর্থাৎ মেরুদণ্ডের একটা কশেরুকার মাঝখানে যে স্পেসটা থাকে সেটাকে বলা হয় ইন্টারভার্টিব্রাল ফোরামিনা। Question number 7. The number of spinal nerves, option A 31, option B 31 pairs, option C 21, option D 21 pairs. The right answer is option B 31 pairs. Question number 8. Which is not a spinal nerve? Option A optic, option B cervical, option C lumbar, option D sacral. The right answer is option A optic. Optic nerve is a cranial nerve. It is not a spinal nerve. Question number 9. Coccygeal and sacral are option A cranial nerves, option B spinal nerves, option C both of these, option D none of these. The right answer is option B spinal nerves. Coccygeal and sacral are spinal nerves. Question number 10. Which is not a neurotransmitter? Option A GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, option B dopamine, option C histamine, option D PABA, para amino benzoic acid. The right answer is option D PABA. PABA is not a neurotransmitter. Rest of these GABA, dopamine and histamine all are neurotransmitters. Question number 11. Which is not a protective covering of nerve? Option A endoneurium, option B exoneurium, option C perineurium, option D epineurium. The right answer is option B exoneurium. Question number 12. Regulation of body temperature is by option A thalamus, option B pons, option C hypothalamus, option D none of these. The right answer is option C hypothalamus. Question number 13. Which is not a part of brain stem? Option A pons, option B thalamus, option C cerebellum, option D medulla oblongata. The right answer is option B thalamus. Thalamus is not a part of brain stem. Question number 14. Which is a part of cerebrum? Option A frontal, option B temporal, option C parietal, option D all of these. The right answer is option D all of these. Question number 15. Subarachnoid space is between option A dura mater, option B pia mater, option C arachnoid matter, option D A and B, option E B and C. The right answer is option E. That is subarachnoid space is between pia mater and arachnoid matter. So option E is the correct answer. Question number 16. The outer layer of meninges is option A dura mater, option B pia mater, option C arachnoid matter and option D none of these. The right answer is option A dura mater. Question number 17. Hypoglossal is an example of option A sensory nerve, option B motor nerve, option C mixed nerve, option D none of the above. The right answer is option B motor nerve. Hypoglossal is an example of motor nerve. Question number 18. Which is responsible for smell? Option A optic, option B auditory, option C olfactory, option D vagus. The right answer is option C olfactory. Question number 19. Which is a mixed nerve? Option A accessory, option B optic, option C facial, option D all of the above. The right answer is option C. Option C is an example of mixed nerve. Question number 20. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve are included in motor division. Is it true or false? It is true. Sympathetic and parasympathetic both are included in motor division.